Motorcycle engine oil. Both synthetic and conventional oils start off with almost even capability. Conventional and synthetic oils is also both start in the ground and they use a similar base materials. But that's where the similarities end. The single largest difference between synthetic and conventional is the difference in each one's of ability to maintain viscosity over a long period of time. Both synthetic and conventional oils use additives for friction, for temperature, viscosity, cleaning, and more. Because synthetics start as a purer base, having been distilled, purified, and broken down to its base molecules. As opposed to simply being refined, it is more chemically stable. This means synthetic oils maintain its ability to suspend dirt, prevent parts contact, and to flow to colder temperatures better than conventional oils. All of this means less wear and tears on your motorcycles and transmissions, less maintenance cost over the long terms, and more peace of mind. So short answer, synthetic is generally a better choice. Welcome in Surf with you, brothers on the wheels. As you can see, I'm speaking in English now because the owner of the Corteco motorcycle oil is a foreigner. So what we got here is the Corteco motorcycle engine oil. They are new here in the Philippines. They don't have any official product launching and official price, but Corteco promised that they're gonna launch the product and the official price this year. So I have here is a semi-synthetic blend. And Corteco promised that they're gonna launch a mineral, fully synthetic, and synthetic as soon as they launch the product. So we back here in semi-synthetic. This is a 10W40. So I Google it. This is the answer. In a 10W40, for example, the 10W stands for winter. Simply means the oil must have a certain maximum viscosity or flow at low temperature. The lower the W number, the better the oil holds temperature performance. So something to do with the starting of the bike in the cold temperature or in the morning. And then also, the 40 simply means that the oil must fall within certain viscosity limit at 100 Celsius. So this is a kind of a thickness of the oil. So we have here in the Philippines is 30, 40, and 50. Also in here indicates API-SM/CF. So it means the API is American Petroleum Institute. So that's the standard formula or use. So the SM is stands for improved oxidation resistance, deposit protection, and wear protection. Also better low temperature performance over the life and the oil compared to the previous category. CF also means a modernized version of CD, reversed to a single cylinder low emission test engine, intended for certain indirect injection engine. To see more, just click the link below. The specification of the oil, the meaning that put in the mark in the bottles. So let's put the oil into the action and hit the road. See what Corteco semi-synthetic oil can do to my bike. When I'm using a new oil for my bike, I look in 5 things: starting the engine vibration, engine temperature, gear shifting, and kilometer age. When I'm starting my engine in the morning, in my previous oil that I use, I hold around in 30 seconds into the throttle. But in Corteco, I hold only 15 seconds and my engine has continued to run after the 15 seconds warm-up. So that the 10W means. And it's in the good indication of easy starting of the engine in a cold temperature, especially in the morning. Vibration of my bike is always an issue for me, but I notice when I fill my bike of Corteco oil, the vibration has been less and it's run smooth. Well, I ride my bike around 2 hours here in SDMA to test also the engine temperature. As I observed, the temperature is quite normal, just like in my previous oil that I used. It's a fully synthetic oil, by the way. Even in the traffic situation, the temperature is in the normal level, based on my observation. Gear shifting works well too. It's responsive and smooth, especially when I put the gear into the neutral. There's no argument for that. I think the oil will last around 1,000 kilometers to 1,500 kilometer runs, and you have to change it. All in all, I recommended this oil in small to medium-sized motorcycles and for city riding as well. I do hope the price will be affordable to compete in other major brands here in the Philippines. I was surprised Corteco engine oil gives my bike a better performance, and I hope to give us a value for the money. Again, this is Art Cruz of Short Moto. See you next week for my new episode. Have a great weekend. Cheers, mate.
We are two wanderers at dawn of the world.